going to start our engine, and we're going to hear how my engine sounds like in a few minutes. Starting to wonder if it's a diesel. Well, it's quieting down. And the knocking is starting. It's going to get louder. And there it goes. And, yep, it's getting louder. Really wonder if it's a diesel. And it's a lot louder than that when it's colder.